genes found deep inside our cells play a role in our health. When they're changed or missing, they can cause disease, but they may also hold the key to curing it.
So good day everyone! I'm really excited to have you with us for this academic course on the fascinating world of gene therapy. We're here to break it all down for you from what it is, its core principles to the current applications and even the ethical considerations. Well, for now, we will be serious for us to give you a comprehensive and detailed important things about gene therapy. So let's move forward. What is gene therapy? So gene therapy is a remarkable frontier in medicine where we have capability to cure by fixing our DNA in the cells. So basically, gene therapy means changing genes in your cells to fight a sickness or stop it from happening. It can also happen using different methods such as introduction of novel genes into cells, altering existing ones or controlling how they are activated. So most of our body's genetic information is stored in 23 paired chromosomes inside the nucleus of our cells. Each chromosome is made up of DNA that stores information to determine our unique characteristics. Specific sections of DNA are called genes. Each person typically gets 2 copies of each gene from their biological parents. These genes control everything from hair color to height and to many other traits.
First things first, a gene therapy technique involves the use of modified viruses known as viral vectors. Another novel approach is CRISPR-Cas9, which is a powerful instrument for making precise changes in the genome. It is a unique technology that enables genetics and medical researchers to edit parts of the genome by removing, adding, or altering sections of the DNA sequence. Faulty gene can be replaced by healthy one using these approaches. Inactive problem gene even introduce new genes to help cure diseases.
There are 2 primary types of gene therapy: somatic cell gene therapy and germline gene therapy. Somatic cell gene therapy targets non-reproductive cells and only affect the individuals receiving the treatment. This approach is currently used to treat genetic disorders, certain cancers, and viral infections. On the other hand, germline gene therapy targets reproductive cells and can pass genetic changes to future generations. While this type of therapy holds the promise of inherited genetic disorders, it also raises significant ethical and safety concerns.
And now, let's discuss on what current applications of gene therapy in treating genetic disorders, infectious diseases, and certain type of cancers. So, gene therapy is already making a remarkable impact in the medical field. It has shown success in treating genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis, hemophilia, and certain type of cancers, and even some infections like HIV. And now, let's delve into some current applications. For instance, in cystic fibrosis, gene therapy aims to correct the defective CFTR gene, improving lung functions and quality of life. In cancer, gene therapy can enhance the immune system ability to target and destroy cancer cells.
The future of gene therapy is incredibly promising. Researchers are exploring its applications in more complex conditions, such as neurological disorders, cardiovascular disease, and diabetes. Imagine a future where gene therapy could potentially help the progressions of Alzheimer's or regenerate damaged heart tissues.
However, with this advancement comes with challenges and ethical consideration. The high cost of gene therapy, potential side effects, and long-term impact are significant hurdles. Ethical considerations are arise regarding genetic enhancement and the possibility of designer being.
Gene therapy holds the potential to revolutionize medicine and transform lives. As we continue to advance in this field, it's essential to balance innovation with ethical responsibility.
Adults who became blind during childhood because of Leber congenital amaurosis can now see at night again. Researchers from the University of Pennsylvania gave the adults experimental gene therapy. After receiving the treatment, the patients showed impressive recoveries of night vision.
Gene therapy isn't just a scientific and medical issue. It touches on deep ethical, social, and regulatory aspects. Safety is a paramount concern. How do we ensure gene therapies are safe and free from unintended consequences? Accessibility and equity are also critical. Who gets access to these potentially life-saving treatments and at what cost?
Thank you for joining us in this explorations of gene therapy. Stay tuned for more segments in our educational series, where we continue to unravel the mysteries and marvels of modern science.